Today I'm going to be proving that the number 503 is prime. Now, a prime number is a number that has factors of 1 in itself alone, and then a composite number is a number that has factors of 1 itself and more factors than that. So here I've written 503, and then I've written the numbers 1 through 23. Now we're going to test these numbers to see if they go into 503. I only went up to 23 because 23 times itself is a number bigger than 503. So any number that would be bigger than 23 would have to be multiplied by one of these smaller numbers to be a factor. So if none of these work, then a bigger number will not work. So 1 is a factor of all numbers. So we can just go ahead and cross that out to start with. Now we move on to 2. And 2 only goes into numbers evenly that are even. And 503 is odd, so 2 does not go into that. Now because 2 doesn't go into that, no factors, or no numbers that 2 is a factor of will go into that. So we can cross out all of the even numbers: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and 22. So then we move on to 3. Now for a number to be divisible by 3, all the digits need to add up to a number that 3 is a factor of. So 5 plus 0 plus 3 equals 8, and 3 is not a factor of 8. So we can cross that out. Also, we can cross out any numbers 3 is a factor of. So that'd be 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and 21. Then we're moving on to number 5. Now 5 only goes into numbers evenly that end in 0 or 5. This ends in a 3. So 5 does not work, and neither will any numbers that 5 is a factor of, meaning 10, 15, and 20, which those are all crossed off. Then we move on to these numbers 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, and 23. Now these numbers, we just have to use division to figure them out, and I'm just going to be using a calculator. So, if we type in 503 divided by 7, it does not go evenly, so we can cross 7 off. Then 503 divided by 11 does not go in evenly, so we can cross 11 off as well. Then we have 13, so 503 divided by 13. 13 does not go evenly, so we can cross that off as well. 503 divided by 17 does not go evenly, cross that off. 503 divided by 19 equals not an even amount, so that does not go into it either. Lastly, we have 503 divided by 23, and 23 does not work either. So none of these numbers work, and again, as I said, we only went up to 23 because a number bigger than that would have to be multiplied by one of these small numbers to be this number. If 2 numbers would multiply, but none of these work, so no bigger numbers would work either. And that proves that 503 is prime.